More than 700 books and magazines on military and aviation history, along with vintage model kits. All proceeds benefit the restoration of the museum's Curtis hangar. Once completed, the rest of the center's aircraft collection and displays can be showcased there.
The amount of aviation history that's happened here is just amazing, and unfortunately it's not being told as much to a younger generation. So we're here to inspire kids that are interested in maybe pursuing that down the road in STEM activities and involving a lot more of aviation or technical side as a potential future career for them.
The sale extended past today, the rest of the month, with all models and books on sale.